Hi, my name is Ben Turner. This is a real quick Cliff Notes version of a project I just completed with using the ERC 1155 token. Basically, this is popular in the gaming industry with basically condensing multiple transactions into one. This reduces the gas fees for instead of having each individual transaction and having to pay gas fees on each transaction that you use. You can consolidate it down into a single transaction. So this is basically a like a digital farm, with crops, and you have the basically a farmer that is the farmer owner, which is these represent NFTs. You have the carrot, potato, corn, golden carrot, golden potato, and rainbow corn. Let's see here. These are basically PFS. Basically, that's basically where NFTs, popular place for NFTs to be stored. And you can see that each of these tokens has a supply, a price per each one of the crops. And how this works is the investor stakes DAI into the farm, and then basically it's the staking balance times the last time the person deposited, and the emission rate, which is 1, equals the total points debited. So basically, they stake a percentage of DAI into the farm, and over time they'll get more points, and then they can come around and then purchase each one of these NFTs for the price point that it's listed as. So let's hop over to the web interface, and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so on my computer here, we have this web interface for all these items that I just went over. The NFT crops, I ran this previously, so you can see that the stock went down from 1,000 to 799, and I have a mock token balance of 100 mock DAI, and the ability to stake it, unstake it, and then currently I have 0 staked in the balance, and then these are my current points that I have accumulated right now, and these are the previous crops that I purchased with the accumulated points that I did earlier, just testing this out. So right now I'm going to stake say 40 DAI stake, and this will interface with the MetaMask wallet with the Ganache test network here. And we'll sign it one more time, giving me the total, estimated gas fees, and then the total gas fees. So just confirming that. And then now this page will reload with the 40 DAI that is staked, and then the total points that I currently have right now, which is 13,580. And I'm going to let this go for just a few minutes, and then we'll see these numbers increase here shortly. Okay, it's been a few minutes here. I'm going to refresh this page and see what our balance is from earlier before. Wallet, there we go. You can see it went from 13,580 to 7,460, and I still have the 40 DAI mock DAI staked. So now I want to claim some of these NFTs with my newly found points. So I'm going to do 10 carrots and 10 potatoes and 10 of corn, and then I'm going to basically, this gives you the total of how much all three of these items would be, which would be 5,500 points, but I'm still staking the die, so this number will change, will increase as well, but also deduct the 5,500 points from my total balance. So here we go. Probably need to do another confirmation of the transaction. And here we go. Yep, we're back down to 14,480, and our current balance with the mock die is 60 with 40 that's staked. I now have 13 carrots, 16 potatoes, and 13 corn. So now I want to unstake my mock die. We'll do that. And confirm this transaction. And now you see the balance. I have my 100 die back, 0 staked, but I have 16,480 on my points balance, and I still maintain my current crops that are collected. But you can see here where the inventory was reduced by 10 over here, 10 over here, 10 over here from before, and that's it. So yeah, this is basically a quick summary of doing multiple transactions in one single transaction with the ERC 1155 token protocol, so that way it can consolidate multiple transactions into one single transaction, reducing the complexity of and the gas fees with combining all these transactions into one single instance, and saving yourself a lot of headache and gas fees as well. So that is a quick summary of this project. If you want to see more, there's there'll probably be a link down below on my portfolio site with a longer explanation of the coding and more in-depth detail. But I just want to provide this as a quick overview of this project. Thanks so much.